சம்மர் ஹாலிடேஸ் வந்தாச்சு, நம்ம ஜிடி ஹாலிடேஸும் வந்தாச்சு. ஜிடி ஹாலிடேஸ், சவுத் இந்தியாஸ் #1 டிராவல் பிராண்ட்.
நெய்தல் 2025 வரும் 13, 14, 15 ஆகிய தேதிகளில் தூத்துக்குடியில் நடைபெற உள்ளது. அனைவரும் வருக, அனுமதி இலவசம்.
Periyar Maniammai Institute of Science and Technology, Thanjavur. The world needs you.
You liked, we'll speak in full Butler English today.
No crimer, no timer, whatever.
No crimer, no timer, no waste timer.
Ayyo!
You'll only have to complete it, ma'am.
Rashmika, I have no words for the exuberance that you bring on screen, despite being as simple as you are. एक इंसान मुझे बताओ जो आपके प्यार में नहीं है. Does everyone love Rashmika? So here's the question.
जी बोलिए.
आपने सब सुपरस्टार्स और वहाँ तो सुपर डुपर स्टार्स के साथ काम किया है, लेकिन इससे पहले कि हम इन पे आए, एक कैरेक्टर आपके जैसे इतनी वैरायटी करने वाले को कॉल आउट करता है, एंड दिस सीम्स वेरी डिफरेंट, एंड दिस सीम्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट साइड ऑफ शेखर एज वेल. तो क्या था वो जिसकी वजह से आपने हाँ कहा?
पहले तो हाय एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप? सब ठीक ठाक? ऑल गुड? चलो ठीक है. हाँ, தமிழ்ல பேசணுமா? இங்க வந்து தமிழ்ல பேசுனா the Hindi media will be like, what, we don't understand anything. So okay வா உங்களுக்கு? Looks like there's a lot of Tamil crowd we have.
You can go part. It's all good.
Okay, why don't we just speak in English so that it's easier for me?
जी.
Okay va. Basically, I wanted to work with Shekhar sir. And I wanted to work with Dhanush sir and Nag sir. Like, we have this entire, like, we've baked this cake and we have put a icing on the cake and now we have a cherry on the cake. So it's going to be a full-on delicacy by the time the film releases. So,
but there's something very different about your character. Let's be honest.
See, some days you will have to be Geetanjali, some days you have to be Srivalli, some days you have to be Maharani Yesubai, and some days you have to be her.
So without giving away too much,
जी,
क्या हमने आपको पहले इस अवतार में देखा है जो आप दिखाने वाली है कैरेक्टर वाइज?
नहीं. I think, you know, I'm someone who like fully surrenders to my directors, and that is the beauty of it, kyunki like directors, each directors have their own flavor, so isliye I'll, you know, somehow sort of get to play such variety of characters. And she is extremely different. She is as in, I can't reveal too much, but it's going to be a very, very exciting and a different character.
But there is one thing that is not different, is your streak to work with the best of best. We have two heavyweights here we love, and the kind of body of work that they've brought in. What is this special connect? Let's start with Nagarjun sir. For you, you know, maybe a memory, a core memory, and now being his co-star.
I love Nag sir. This is the second time I've gotten this opportunity to work with Nag sir, and every time I spend this little time that I get with him, it's just, I'm so fascinated by how he just is. You know, he's effortless. He's just being him.
Smiling the most when your song was going on. I was watching him. He enjoyed every moment of your antics.
You know, I was just telling sir that sir happened to watch the film. Of course, all of us get to watch it when we dub the film. But the second sir complimented me for my character in the film, I was just like, guys, this is done. I am happy. I am happy with this, you know. So that was really special.
मैं सबको बोल रही हूँ, सबके अंदर एक कुबेर है. I think धनुष सर के अंदर जो कुबेर है वो versatility का है. You can never recognize him. You're like, who is this person? We don't know him.
See, sir is like, he does everything under the sun in the most effortless way, and he will be the Kubera of everything he does, and he will make all of us want to work 10, 12, 100 times extra to be at least like 10% as good as him. Hai na, sir? Yeah, sir.
Because we have limited time with sir, वो actually shoot के बीच से आए हैं, and everyone here is, for them every minute is money and Kubera. I'm going to take the opportunity to invite everyone on
yes, of
stage.
course.
As we know, we don't have. By the way, ये गाना जो आपने रश्मिका का देखा, वो आज शाम को YouTube पे release होगा, and you'll have it on Aditya Music. And so we
Also,
have from Aditya
if I
Music,
just
Aditya
may-
with us.
If I just may add something, आप सबने ये गाना देखा ना? 2 बार, हाँ, of course. But what I wanted to say about this Gana is that we generally happen to get songs which is, you know, when a boy is heartbroken and all of that, you have like, you know, fun take on sad songs. You have male perspective on songs. But this is a female perspective, fun take on a heartbreak.
Whoa.
Did that describe it enough?
Yes.
Now I'm going to see a lot of reels on this, guys. You better make reels on this.
100% with those kind of lyrics. Watch out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Pakka, you have to.
may I-
But now I'm going to stop.
ஓம் நம சிவாய
Woo!
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம் குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன் எவ்ரிபடி ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் உங்களெல்லாம் பார்த்ததுல எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் எனக்காக இங்க வந்திருக்கீங்க எப்படி நன்றி சொல்றேனே தெரியல ரொம்ப நன்றி வந்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி my sincere thanks to I don't know Hindi. I can talk in English little bit, that too. Kindly adjust.
So the question, and you looking there, is Kubera ko ha bolne ke liye, to say yes to a project like this, especially when Shekhar ji has come with something so different. What made you say yes?
Kubera is a very, very different film, very special film. This is not just another film or just another event. This is a very, very special film. Very close to my heart. I'm sure they agree with me. We had such fantastic experience shooting for this film, and some weird experience shooting for this film, shooting in dump yards and garbage
yards.
trucks and stuff. And but you know, every experience teaches you something or the other, and we're very happy we worked with such a brilliant team, such a positive team. You generally don't get to see me often. I don't come out often, but this film, I think, deserves to be promoted like this. It's a very special film.
आपके character के बारे में a little bit, because we can see what you're doing and what you're going through, and it's giving us some pangs and pain. Please tell us, kuch bhi.
I play a beggar. Yeah.
Ah.
I did a lot of research, homework. I stood in the sun. All those are lies. I didn't do anything. So I just went there. I just had to follow my director. Shekhar sir was brilliant. He taught me like the nuances, what to do, how to do, the slang. So he made life very easy for me. It's a very different film, very different character from what I've played before. So I really enjoyed the challenge. I really enjoyed working in this film.
आपने शेखर जी को white angel बुलाया है, white-hearted angel from heaven. Can you tell us a little bit about him? You know, because he's not here, Raj. So
that pretty much describes everything I feel. Shekhar sir is a fantastic human being. You will not meet a person like him. So clean, so pure, and such a good-hearted man. I mean, you know, you make a lot of films, you do a lot of films, you meet a lot of people, but it's when you meet like somebody like Shekhar Kamula is when you feel, you know, the travel is worth it. So it's because of this man I did this film. He narrated me just 20 minutes. I loved his energy. I loved his positivity, his approach, his honesty towards making his films or as a human being. So Shekhar is a great person, yes.
you know, during the making of a movie, कुछ moments आपके साथ forever रह जाते हैं, and you can't let go of
Yeah,
them.
me and Rashmika shot in a dump yard for about 7 hours. And Rashmika was fine. And I was, Rashmika, what is this? And Rashmika, sir, I can't smell anything. I still don't know. so many things like that. But it was not like I read so many things that said it was a big challenge. We were there wearing masks and without masks, or we were there for 10. It was not that big a deal, actually. It was fine. But to see another part of the world, a side which you are not exposed to, you're always in your comfort zone where you're really comfortable. Like you do only what's convenient, you're protected. At least some of us are very protected. But I come from there. I come from very humble, rooted beginnings. Today I'm here by God's grace. I've seen that. To go back there, to see that world again, it was very enlightening and nostalgic. I'm very thankful to this film for so many reasons, but taking me back to my childhood as well is one of that.
Biggest gift. Let's clap to that journey. 2 decades. Dhanush, 2 decades in the industry और आप कभी typecast नहीं हुए हो, and that in itself is a very big achievement. So here's my last question. How do you not manage to be this typecasted person? और ये बहरूपिया और ये वो जो इच्छाधारी नागिन कैसे अपना रूप बदलती है, आप अपना रूप बदलते रहते हो. What is this? You have changed your character so smoothly. We never get to know how do you do it.
See, I'm just like a processor, on computers. I don't do much of the hard work. You need data, right? My directors feed me the data. Most of the work, they do it. I just process it. I'm just a processor. All credits to the filmmakers I've worked with.
Thank you. That's humility for you. Dhanush, आप राजा हैं दिलों के. आपने break लिया है आपके shoot से. Thank you so much for joining us for Kubera. We believe we have to let you go, I know. So here's your audience giving some love as he says goodbye to us. Come on everyone, Kubera.
ரொம்ப நன்றி. ஜூன் 20ஆம் தேதி படம் பாருங்க. கண்டிப்பா உங்களுக்குலாம் பிடிக்கும்னு நம்புறேன். Thank you. Love you all. Love you.
Yes. Hi. As charming as ever you are.
Thank you.
And looking dapper. Mera pehla sawal is no matter how much stardom, no matter how much success, love that you see from your fans and audience, I would like you to answer to the media. How does Naga sir stay connected, stay rooted, and stay one with his audience, with Janta? Please.
Okay, mundu andarki namaskaram. Ellarakum vanakkam. Sabku namaskar. Ellariku namaskara. How are you guys doing? All good. Thank you for the love and affection always. Whenever I come here, it's been shown, starting from the airport to the hotel to here. Always so much love and affection. They expect me to become Tufan and do this. Even now on the road, that's fantastic. Right from the beginning of my career, starting from Shiva or Kudagawa and Criminal and Zakam and Angare and other films, and also all my dub films have been accepted so well here in the North. So I'm so deeply appreciative about it. Gratitude to all of you. And this film, let me just talk about the film then.
Sure.
This film is very, very special to me. It came to me at one point of time where I was wondering what next to do, like you asked. What should I do next? I can't keep doing the same roles over and over again. And Shekhar Kamla, whom I wanted to work with for the last 15 years, he came to me and he said, would you like to do this role? And I didn't even much ask what he was going to offer me. I said yes, because I know I've seen Shekhar Kamla's earlier films. He's a brilliant filmmaker, so real, his sensibilities are so true. And like Dhanush said, his heart is so pure, and that comes across to the screen, to his script. So that is one of the reasons I always wanted to be in his films. And when he accepted, and then when I accepted, then the star cast came, and it was brilliant. It was also very good. And then I got to play with the great Jim Saurabh. It was outstanding playing with him. My God, this man is impossible. I mean, he put me on my toes and he was telling Telugu dialogues even better than me. You know, this man is so incredible. And Dalip Saab, we've known him for so long. I've known him for such a long time. It was great to work with him. And this girl, you know, this girl is one powerhouse of talent. Come on, you see her filmography in the last 3 years? This is just outstanding. None of us are 2,000, 3,000 crore guys. This is the one. This is the one who's beat all of us.
That defines a true gentleman who is actually celebrating the lady in the house. Nagarjun sir, this is what we love about you.
So it's Rashmika, it was such a pleasure. I worked with you before, but this time after I saw the dubbing, when I saw the film, I just had to call you. I called you straight from the dubbing theater. She's brilliant in the film. She's going to make all of you laugh. Going to make you laugh so much. She's just so brilliant. She's spontaneous. There's something so nice about her. And Rashmika, I thank you for being in the film. And everybody else, whoever, there were 4 or 5 4 newcomers who were in the film who are not here. They were just brilliant. I thought they told me they were all newcomers and they picked them up. They were just outstanding. And leaving this aside, DSP, my favorite, one of my favorite music directors, what music is given for the film, the background score, the songs, though we are not lipping them, they just lift the film up completely. And I thank DSP. And right now I saw that Pippi Pippi Dum Dum song. When Rashmika said, is it good? I said, how can you forget Pippi Pippi Dum Dum? You cannot forget that. I also have to speak of my co-star Dhanush. Dhanush was just brilliant in the film. Like you have said, I don't know what he is yesterday. I don't know what he's going to be tomorrow. But that's the way he changes himself. And on the sets, he was completely into his character. Unbelievable how he gets into it. And hats off to Dhanush. I'm so glad to be working with him and also the producers and everybody. And thank you for giving so much love.
Summer holidays வந்தாச்சு நம்ம GT Holidays வந்தாச்சு. GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
நெய்தல் 2025 வரும் 13, 14, 15 ஆகிய தேதிகளில் தூத்துக்குடியில் நடைபெற உள்ளது. அனைவரும் வருக, அனுமதி இலவசம்.
Periyar Maniammai Institute of Science and Technology, Thanjavur. The world needs you.